back to my channel. Guys, we're going to be making a video on how to smoke your own fish in the oven, or how to personally dry your fish with the aid of an oven. The first thing you're going to do will be to remove the intestines of your fish and the gills. Once you've taken care of that, you wash your fish and pat dry. The next thing we're going to do will be to apply some salt on our fish. Rub the salt inside and outside. The next thing we're going to do will be to apply some palm oil on our fish. So we're then going to fold our fish as follows with the aid of a toothpick. So we're going to bend the fish, pierce through the head and also through the tail. Guys, be careful with your hands at this stage. So this is what we have. Do same for the other fish. So these are fish. Keep this aside. Get an oven tray and seal with some aluminium foil like this. Put some rice on the tray. Add about 1 to 2 sachets of tea. This is optional. You can use any tea of choice. We're going to place our grill compartment over the tray, having our rice and tea, and we're going to gently place our fish on it. We're going to transfer this to the oven and smoke at 200 degrees Celsius. See you later. So guys, I guess our fish is ready after 1 hour 30 minutes in the oven. I'm going to let this cool down.